Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of battling dry, parched skin every day, then you've landed in the right place. Today, we're going to share the best skincare routine that will hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Ready to find out how to transform your skin? Let's dive in. Step 1 of our routine is cleansing. It's essential to start with a gentle, hydrating cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Massage the cleanser onto your damp face and rinse it off with lukewarm water to maintain moisture. Next, let's talk about exfoliation. But remember, when you have dry skin, you want to be cautious with this step. Use a gentle exfoliator, perhaps a chemical exfoliant like AHA or a mild scrub, only 1-2 times a week. This will help remove dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, healthy skin underneath. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's time to tone. A hydrating toner can do wonders for dry skin. Look for ones with ingredients like rosewater or chamomile to soothe and hydrate. Simply apply it using a cotton pad or your hands, gently pressing it into your skin for better absorption. Now, let's move on to serums, which are some of the most effective products for dry skin. A hyaluronic acid serum is your best friend here. It attracts moisture to the skin and locks it in, giving you that dewy finish. Apply a few drops and pat it onto your face and neck. Next, it's time to moisturize. Choose a rich moisturizer that will provide long-lasting hydration. Look for ingredients such as ceramides, shea butter, or avocado oil, which help to create a protective barrier on your skin. Apply a generous amount and don't forget your neck and décolletage. Finally, if you're heading out during the day, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Even dry skin needs protection from UV damage. Choose a sunscreen that is formulated for dry skin types for added hydration. And when it comes to nighttime, don't skip on adding a sleeping mask or a heavier moisturizer for deeper hydration while you sleep. This is when your skin does most of its healing. There you have it. The best routine for dry, parched skin. Incorporate these steps into your daily regimen, and you'll notice a significant difference in your skin's health and texture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and routines. Until next time, keep your skin hydrated and glowing.